Welcome to the lecture number 6. Today we are going to see some examples on consistency. So first example is test the consistency and solve. 3x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to 1, then x plus 2y is equal to 4, 10y plus 3z is equal to minus 2. 2x minus 3y minus z is equal to 5. Now first step is write it in matrix form. So Ax is equal to be our matrix form. A matrix is coefficient of this x, y, z. So it is 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 0, 0, 10, 3 and 2 minus 3 minus 1 multiplied by x, y, z. It is equal to 1, 4 minus 2 and 5. Now denote one by one. A matrix is our coefficient matrix, x is unknown matrix and B is constant matrix. Now the next step is write augmented matrix. Augmented matrix is combination of A and B matrix. So we combine both the matrix A and B here and write it as 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 0, 4, 0, 10, 3 minus 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 5. Now next step is convert this matrix into echelon form. So to reduce this matrix into echelon form, we interchange R1 and R2. So if we interchange R1 and R2, we get a matrix C 1, 2, 0, 4, then 3, 3, 2, 1, 0, 10, 3 minus 2 and 2 minus 3 minus 1 and 5. So this we get after interchanging R1 and R2. Now we want to convert this 3 into 0 and this 2 into 0. So first reduce this 3 and 2 into 0. So after converting that, R2 changes to R2 minus 3 R1 and R4 changes to R4 minus 2 R1. So C matrix become 1, 2, 0, 4, 0 minus 3, 2 minus 11, 0, 10, 3 minus 2 and 0 minus 10 minus 1 minus 3. Now we want to reduce this minus 10 into 0. So transformation will be R4 changes to R4. One is positive, another is negative. So we use plus R4 plus R3. Now C matrix become first row is 1, 2, 0, 4 as it is, 0 minus 3, 2 minus 11 as it is, then 0, 10, 3 minus 2 and 0, 0, then minus 1 plus 3, it is plus 2, minus 3 minus 2, it is minus 5. Okay, next we want this 10 into 0. So to convert this 10 into 0, first we multiply with second row by 3 and then we add with third row. So R2 changes to 3 multiplied by R2, that is 3 into 3, 9, minus 9 plus 10 means R3, it become 1. So R3 changes to this in matrix become 1, 2, 0, 4, then 0, 1, 10 minus 9 is 1, then 3 multiplied by 2, it is 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9, then 3 multiplied by minus 11, minus 33, minus 33 plus R2, R3. So minus 33 minus 2, it is plus 31. Then 0, 10, 3 minus 2, 0, 0, 2 minus 5. Okay, so this C matrix become, now we want this 10 into 0. So transformation will be R3 changes to R3 minus 10 times R2. So R3 become 1, 2, 0, 4, then 0, 1, 9, 31, 0, 0. 3 minus 10 into 9. So 3 minus, after taking combination R2 changes to R2 minus 3 R1 and R4 changes to R4 minus 2 R1, we get augmented matrix. It is 1, 2, 0, 4, 0 minus 3, 2 minus 11, 0, 3, 10, 3 minus 2 and 0 minus 7 minus 1 minus 3. In previous matrix we got we have not find out this last row properly. So it is 0 minus 7 minus 1 minus 3. Next Next we try to convert this 10 and minus 7 into 0. So R3 changes to 3R3 plus 10R2 and R4 changes to 3R4 minus 7R2. So this C matrix become 1 2 0 4 0 minus 3 2 minus 11 0 0 29 minus 116 and 0 0 minus 79 68. So this have relation 29 and 116 as well as 17 and 68. So we divide it by 29 and 7 minus 17 to third and fourth row. So this augmented matrix is 1 2 0 4 0 minus 3 2 minus 11 0 0 1 minus 4 0 0 1 minus 4. Now R4 changes to R4 minus R3. So this augmented matrix is 1 2 0 minus 4 0 minus 3 2 minus 11 0 0 1 minus 4 and last row become 0. Now find out the rank, because this matrix cannot get reduced further. So to find out the rank of this matrix, rank of coefficient matrix, it is equal to what is the rank of coefficient matrix? Number of non-zero rows are 1 2 and 3 except this last column. Okay, so 3 non-zero rows, so rank of A is equal to 3. Similarly, what is the rank of C? Rank of C means complete matrix. So 1 2 and 3, these are the 3 non-zero rows, last row is 0 row. So 3 non-zero rows, so rank of C is equal to 3. Now see, if both are same, rank of A is equal to rank of C, then we say that system is consistent. System is consistent. And find out number of unknowns n. N is equal to here x, y, z. So 3 unknowns are there. So n is equal to 3. If n is equal to 3 and rank of A is equal to, this is 3, which we are denoting it by R. So rank of A is equal to rank of C, which is equal to 3, and again it is equal to n number of unknowns. Therefore system have unique solution, not infinite solution. Unique solution. Now to find out that unique solution, we need to write again, say in the form of system, that is Ax is equal to B form. So Ax is equal to B. A matrix is 1 2 0, then 0 minus 3 2 0 0 1 0 0 0. This is reduced A matrix. Then x, y, z, and it is equal to 4 minus 11 minus 4 and 0. Now equating both the side, multiply it, x plus 2y is equal to 4, first equation. Second is minus 3y plus 2z is equal to minus 11, and third is z is equal to minus 4. So see, observe it carefully. A last equation, directly we get z value, that is z is equal to minus 4. This is first and second equation. So by using back substitution, you will get values of x and y. Whenever there is a unique solution, you always get z value. If you are not getting z value, means it has a infinite solution. So at that time you need to consider this z as some arbitrary variable, that is t, k, you can consider anything. Okay, so z is equal to minus 4. If we substitute here, we will get y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. So solution of this system is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to minus 4. So this is the solution of the system x, y, z. This is the only one pair which satisfies the given system of equation. You can substitute this solution in given equation and you can check your answer also. If it satisfies, means your answer is correct, otherwise it is wrong. So if we are getting infinite solution, then by substituting t is equal to 1, you will get one solution. T is equal to 2, you will get another solution. So like that you have so many pairs of x, y, z. If you put only one pair in that solution also, then if it satisfies the equation, means it is the solution for the given system of equation. So in this way we can solve the unique solution and infinite solution problem. Thank you.